Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be doing a video on how to install Google Chrome on your Windows 7 machine and above. Now this includes Windows 8, 8.1 and Windows 10. So let's get started. So go ahead and click on your start button and type in Internet Explorer and go ahead and click on that, or if you prefer Microsoft Edge, then you can go ahead and click on start one more time and type in Microsoft Edge. Now, once you see both of those icons for your Microsoft Edge and Internet Explorer, and go ahead and click on the browser that you want to use, so we can go ahead and get this going. So go ahead and click on that. Now, either it's so if you're using Google Internet Explorer, it may bring you to something like this, and if you're using Edge, it may bring you to something like that. So I'm going to show you two different ways how this can be done. So on, let's say if we're going to use the Internet Explorer icon, then I'm going to type in a website called ninite.com, ninite.com. So again, ninite.com, right? And go ahead and hit enter. And if you're using Edge, you can directly also go to the website ninite.com right there. So once you get there, what we need to do is go ahead and click on the website icon or the first link on the page. Now, it doesn't matter which browser you use, you're gonna get to the same result. Okay, so once that page kind of loads up here, then I can show you what that looks like. So let's go ahead and get to the website pages. Alright, so once the web page is loaded, what we're going to do is go ahead and click on Google Chrome option here, and if you're using Edge, you can also click on Google Chrome option here and click on Get Your Ninite. In either case, it's going to download a small package on your laptop, and it may look like this here in a second. I'll show you how it looks like, okay? So on Edge and on Microsoft Internet Explorer, as you see on Internet Explorer, it says, do you want to run this Chrome application? Now, the same thing on here. So I'm gonna run this from, it doesn't matter which one you run it from, but you can run it from let's run it from Internet Explorer. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on run. Now, once you click on that run icon, it's going to start launching this Ninite installer. And this installer does everything for you. You don't have to do anything else. Now, once this installer also pops up, it may ask you for your username and password. Now, if you're just a standard user, then you need to enter your username and password. But if you're an administrator, then this is not going to prompt you for anything, but it's going to start downloading Chrome. And the next option we see after here, it's going to start installing Chrome. So you can also click on the details to show the progress, what it's doing. But once it's done, it will start showing that it's going to start installing Google Chrome. Now, as you guys can see, the prompt has changed from downloading to installing, and once this installing is done, it's gonna show a status of OK. Now, once that status is OK, then we're basically done, and that's how we install it. So let's wait for this to finish, and we will open up Google Chrome. Now, in the meantime, it is installing. This video is sponsored by TrueParkings.com, guys. If you're looking for a parking spot, or if you have a parking that is available or open, you would like to rent out, True Parking is the way to go. You can go on the website and list your parking spot basically on a daily, monthly, or weekly basis, and start earning some extra dollars in your pocket. So make sure you guys check out our sponsor's website, TrueParkings.com. Again, as soon as this is done, we're gonna go ahead and open up the Google Chrome and show you the first login homepage. Okay. Alright, so it looks like the application is done installing and status is okay. So we're going to go ahead and click on your start icon and type in Google Chrome. Once you do that, then what we're going to do is we're going to see this Google Chrome icon, and we're going to right click and pin that to your taskbar. And once we pin that to your taskbar, then it is always going to be down here that you can see that. Also, you're going to be able to see Google Chrome icon on your desktop, and if you click on that right there, Google Chrome, and we can just click on that, open, and basically that's going to open Google Chrome. So simple, straightforward, and easy. No gimmicks. So that's how you install Google Chrome, guys. Again, I appreciate you guys watching the video, and if this video have helped you out, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. But other than that, the next video is going to be how to install, Firefox in the same fashion way. So if you want to see that, make sure you guys like and subscribe the channel. Again, guys, appreciate your time, patience, and make sure you guys leave comments in the comment section below if you have any questions or concern. But other than that, you guys are all set. Again, have a fantastic day ahead, and thanks for watching.